Brisket smoked on the Old Country Petco's. I like to keep these aluminum foil pans handy because you can see we're good. And about 20 minutes ago, guys, 40 minutes. It's not gonna hurt them at all. And remember, chicks have already hit an internal temp of 100. Remember at the beginning I said I didn't like it this was. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be grilling some hot dogs, but not just any regular boring hot dogs. We're gonna make them for you Mexican style. Okay, the ingredients are very simple, the process is very simple, but the results, well, you be the judge of that. So first thing you're gonna need some beef franks. I like the Nathan's brand. These are 1/4 pound franks. They're huge. You're gonna need some bacon. Don't go for the thick cut bacon, guys. You know, it just takes a lot longer for it to cook, to get crispy. So I go with this thin stuff. You're gonna need some hot dog buns, of course. You're gonna need some beans, and I'm using canned beans today, guys. I'm not gonna make them from scratch. You're gonna need some toothpicks, some jalapeno slices, mustard, ketchup, mayo, tomato, and onions. If you don't like any of this stuff, just leave it out. You're not gonna hurt anybody's feelings, but you use what you like. These are the brands that I like to use. Feel free to use what you like, okay? So let me get this stuff out of the package, and then I'll show you how I wrap them up with bacon, and we'll be right back. So let me show you how to wrap one of these bad boys. I just start in the end, and then just secure that. Just go all the way to the end. Okay. See, pretty good. And insert a toothpick at the end. Okay. Let's do another one. There you go. So you put one end of the bacon at the very end. You secure it. Secure it. My cameraman told me I was out of frame. Sorry. Thank you. Very easy. Get a toothpick and secure. All right. So I'm gonna wrap the rest of these guys up, and then I'll show you what they all look like once they're all said and done, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so this is what they look like, guys. I literally timed myself, and it did not even take me 10 minutes to wrap all these dogs up. So just keep that in mind. Make a little side note, mental note, whatever you want. It doesn't take long at all. This is a very, very simple recipe. So let me take you outside, show you what I'm gonna be using to cook these bad boys up, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be cooking on my Pit Boss pellet smoker. It's the 820 FB. In Mexico they cook these hot dogs on a flat top, and I do have a flat top. I just recently got it, but I think that grilling them just brings them out to a totally different level. So I'm gonna let this thing cycle up and start up. And once it does, I'm gonna set it to 200 degrees. I'm gonna place them on the top rack and let them get some good smoke after I clean my grates, of course, and then I'll take you inside and show you what I do. Okay, so we have the grill coming up to temp, and the next thing that I do while I'm doing that is get my veggies ready. One tip, guys, I don't like to use the inside of the tomato. You can if you want to, but just get yourself a nice spoon, nice sturdy spoon, and scoop it out. Like so. All I'm really after is the outside of the tomato, okay? So I'm gonna dice it up for you off camera, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all said and done. Well, this is what they look like, guys. Just a very simple, rough chop. Let me go check on that grill and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we cleaned off the grapes. Let's place the bad boys in there. All right, so I'm gonna shut the lid, and remember, I have my grill set at 200 degrees. I'm gonna shut the lid for about 20 minutes, let them get some of that good smoke, and then we'll crank up that heat. So it's been 20 minutes at 200 degrees. I just cranked the heat to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna leave them there on the top rack. Let me see if I can get a little closer. You can see that smoke, you know, they grabbed a different color. So it caught that smoke pretty good. Let me shut the lid. Let's cook these bad boys. So 15 minutes later, guys, check it out. That bacon is getting nice and crispy. At this point, I'm just gonna put them down on the grill grates and sear them up a little bit more, and these guys will be done. Alright, guys, so 40 minutes total since I started this cook, and look at this, guys. Nice color. This is the reason why I told you not to use the thick cut bacon, because it takes a lot longer. You can see the franks, they started splitting a little bit. That's okay, they're still going to be good, but notice how the bacon has melted onto the franks. So these are cooked very well. I'm going to pull them off the grill, and then I'm going to show you how I finish them off inside. Smell good. I almost forgot. We forgot the buns. Let's give them a nice little toast while you're out here. You want to catch that, get that grease from the hot dogs and the bacon on your hot dog buns. These won't take long at all. Let me finish these up, and then we'll meet you inside, guys. All right, first thing we do, guys, after we pull the buns off the grill, we get some beans right in the bottom. You can add as little or as much as you like. Get a frank. This is a big frank. And there you have it, guys. Mexican style hot dogs made at home. It literally took me under an hour with cook and prep time. And you can add whatever you want. You don't have to add what I like, but as you can see, it's very, very simple. These are gonna be very delicious. So once again, guys, thank you all for watching The Backyard Griller. If you have any comments, questions, please drop them down below. Don't forget to watch my other videos and hit that like button. Thanks.